Turning now to the monkeypox outbreak. Cases are on the rise, including right here in the Bay Area. 3 now in Hillsborough, 9 in Pinellas. ABC Action News reporter Rochelle Oline breaks down the latest numbers from the state and explains the stigma surrounding the disease.
Monkeypox cases are up, and so is concern about it.
We're getting calls every day.
Dr. Wallace says many of those calls are from people in the LGBTQ+ community who are desperate for information about the disease and how to prevent it.
We are going to do a quick media update on monkeypox and meningococcal.
And we got some of those answers at a Pinellas County Health Department briefing Wednesday. So here's what we learned. Right now, there are 208 cases in the state, and 15 of them are in the Bay Area. And of that 15, Pinellas County accounts for 9 cases. But doctors say the spread isn't as bad as a cold or flu.
That the illness is not easily transmissible. It does require that close physical contact. You can't casually get it by being in a public setting with someone that's infected.
Leaders with the health department say right now, men who have sex with men make up the majority of current cases, and they're urging people in that community to get tested and vaccinated as soon as possible. Dr. Wallace says it's information that's been helpful to the patients he works with, but also deeply stigmatizing.
You know, having been an AIDS doctor, I went through discrimination, death threats, you name it. And I just don't want to see that kind of thing happen again to the gay community.
Another concern highlighted Wednesday was a lack of information about monkeypox vaccines. According to the health department, our state has gotten 25,000 doses from the federal government, and they say it's being spread around to parts of the state where they're seeing cases pop up.
We have began transferring vaccines to those community partners.
If you'd like a vaccine, they ask that you call your doctor or the health department for more information. It's knowledge that the folks over at Equality, Florida hope everyone takes in as they remind the public that this disease can be spread to anyone.
The challenge with stigmatizing illness is that it leads to shame, and shame leads to people not getting access to the care that they need. It leads to them not getting tested.
And Rochelle joins us now in the studio with another update from today's briefing about another disease that's seeing a spike in our state. Rochelle?
Yeah, that's right. The health department says meningococcal disease is also on the rise. So far this year, our state has already seen 48 cases and 12 deaths, which is almost double the 27 cases we saw in all of 2021. Symptoms include a sudden high fever, light sensitivity, a headache, a red and purple rash, and a stiff neck. But the health department says there are treatments available if you've been exposed or if you have it. And there's also a vaccine to help prevent the spread that you can get for free at your local health department. Head to abcactionnews.com for more information. In the studio, Rochelle Oline, ABC Action News.